Hello friends, I am Rida back with another video and welcome to my channel with the logical. Today I am gonna show you the quick unboxing of external hard disk of WD. This is the 4 TB one and I got this one some few days ago, and today I am gonna show you the quick unboxing regarding in front of all of you. You can see this. I ordered this one for my security purposes, CCTV camera storage one. So and you can see this one, the box itself, and I ordered the orange color. So you can see this one, my passport, WD, auto backup, password protection, and so safeguard automatic and protection per node. This one is the some another language it is written, and 4 TB you can see this, and 3 years warranty maybe. Okay, here is the serial number, maybe my passport. You can see this one. There is some total storage. There is the maximum retail price. You can see this, and show you 3-year limited warranty, free 30 days support from date first sale. Okay, you can see this one, and I will show you the. You can see this 3 years warranty. And I will show you the contents. You will get a portable and hard drive, USB cable, double backup and security quick installation guide. Okay, this one is also compatible with Windows 10, 8 or 7. Okay, you can see this one. So maximum retail price, there is nothing mentioned. What is the maximum retail price? So I didn't get the maximum retail price of this one, MRP. So I hope this one is the I will get the one cheap one. So I will. Packaging is really interesting, and don't know in which side I will open this one. Cutting seal, I have to cut this one. Okay, and let's get started. I already tear up this one and this one already, and this one is also cut down. So I have to cut this one also. So this one is come out, and I wrongly this one open up and show you the box contents. So they actually get in the box and show you There is, I will set this one. So packaging is really nice. You can see this, the orange color. This is a very impressive one. You can see this W branding and serial number and so on. There is some quick guide. This one is maybe a warranty card or something. Okay, nothing else. This one is a cable. The quality of the cable is very good, and I will show you the something. I will show you the quick speed of this one, and I will show you in my lappy also. So take a pause. This one you will get the 3.6 TB out of 4 TB. So I will show you some speed of the. I will transfer a file to the my passport and speed. I will show you the speed of the copy speed. You can see this. The speed is really fast, up to 20 or 21 MB per second. So you can see this one. The speed is really fast. So if you have any doubt, any query, any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and I will put the answer within 24 hours according to my knowledge. And if you want to buy this one, I will put the product buy links in the description section. You can use this link and for buying this one, and help me to do more social activity regarding human rights and animal purposes. So please subscribe my channel and promote my channel and help me to do more social activity regarding human rights and animal purposes. So thank you so much for watching this video, and catch you soon in my next session. Take care, bye bye.